My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware that is called Lxxmlxfva. It's a random set of characters, but this is the real ransomware that encrypts the files and doesn't let customers use their files anymore. Of course, before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Regretfully, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the system, and then pretty soon you might realize that something bad has happened with the files and that you cannot use your files anymore. The ransomware encrypts these files that you store on the hard drive, and it also adds a special Lxxmlxfva extension to them. Whenever people try to open the file, they get the message saying that Windows can't open this type of file. And you may also experience some mess on your desktop. And the files are indeed encrypted and are given this extension Lxxmlxfva. When people try to open these files, they just cannot use these files anymore because of this extension added. But another problem is that simply removing the extension manually does not decrypt the file. You still cannot use it. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the task manager of your computer. If you find any suspicious processes here, you need to terminate them to stop the further file encryption. The ransomware tells its victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good solution because this does not guarantee the file recovery. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button to download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will most likely, first of all, update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. It will begin researching your system and will then give you the summary of threats that were revealed during the scanning. The scanning might take several minutes, of course. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature, however, is the part of the premium license, but it gives you a chance to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. As I said, at the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact location, and even though technically it's possible to remove some of these threats manually, we strongly advise upgrading to Premium in order to get rid of all these threats automatically. And with Premium license, remember that your files will always be protected against other possible ransomware attacks.